Beach Tower A2707, 3-bedroom layout with maid's room. As we enter, there is a nice broad entry passage. That's a guest washroom. This side will take us to maid and 3-room with a long aisle. Kitchen comes in the rent. All kitchen are included in the rental. The beauty of this apartment is that you have balcony throughout for living room, kitchen and the bedrooms. That's the kitchen. There's an entry from the kitchen with the balcony. We'll take you to the living room. The living room is nice and spacious, one of the beautiful living rooms in Dream that we can find. Partial mangrove view. Entry to 3 bedrooms. The first one is a maid's room with a window, nice and bright, and with a standing shower. There is a privacy for 3 rooms. Here there is a door in the corridor. For 2 bedroom we have a common bathroom with a bathtub. The bathroom is nice and spacious. Entry to first room. It has 4-door wardrobe. The room size of both are okay, with a very small balcony, but it's a French window, so you can open for the fresh air provision. This is the outside corridor of 3 rooms. That's the second room. The shape is a little curve with a 5-door wardrobe. Storage is good. That's again a French window for a fresh air. Here it's a very narrow balcony throughout, but just to open for fresh air you will have a big window, big door. That's the master bedroom. Master bedroom has a balcony. That's a view. Then we have walk-in wardrobe out here, 3-door and 3-door. Sink. Thank you.